question number 10. Which model represents 11 times 13 equals 143? All right, so when I look at my answer choices down here, I see my area models. They haven't written the answers in the middle, but that's okay. We can do that to figure out which one belongs. So I'm going to take 11, and remember we need to put it into 10 plus 1 expanded form. So that's the first thing I'm going to look for, okay, across the top. 10 plus 1, okay, so that one works right here. That would represent your 11. Okay, right here, 10 plus 1, that would represent my 11. 10 plus 1, that represents my 11. Oh, that's 10 plus 3. Let's see if over here. Yep, look, I have it on the side. That's okay. And that represents my 11. All right, so all of those have something that represent 11. Now I need to look at my 13, which is 10 plus 3. And that should be on this side over here. And I don't have anything right here, so that's not it. Here, I only have 3. I'm missing the 10, so that's not it. 10 plus 1 is only 11, and I'm looking for 13. That's not it. 10 plus 3, yep, that right there represents my 13. Now the 143, let's look at that. Here's 100, 10, 20, 30, 40. So 140, 41, 42, 43. That's my answer.